In this video, we're going to review what a percent is and how to find a certain percentage of a number. So first off, what does percent mean? Percent. We can break it down into percent and per as in like dollars per hour, miles per hour. We're talking per, we mean for every. Kind of breaking it up into even parts. Cent means 100. Centie meaning 100th. So really, percent means for every 100. So here, this definition from the internet that I grabbed, 1 part in every 100. So it's saying per 100. Like centimeter would mean 100th. Centennial state, that's Colorado. Why are we called that? It's because we became a state on the 100th birthday of the United States. So that is where that comes from. You hear it is called the Centennial State. That's where it comes from. So percent per 100. So basically what's going on is if we want to find a percent of a number, we're going to have to multiply by the decimal form of that percent. Now, in order to find the decimal form of the percent, we just need to say this is happening for every 100. So every 100, basically we're taking that percent and saying, well, let's divide it by 100. What does that do? It's going to take that, the decimal point right here, and it's going to move it over twice. When you divide by 10, it'll do it once. 100 will move it twice. So really right here, we're looking at 0.17. 0.17 is the decimal form here. And that's really all you have to do. You got to take 8.5, divide it by 100. What's it going to do? It's going to slide the decimal over twice. 1, 2. So we get 0.085. If there's not something here, you see it just moves over and then move it over once more. That's going to result in having a 0 there. So 0.085. And in this case, we've got 1, 2. We would have 0.002 for this. Simple as that. We're going to slide the decimal over twice, and it's because we're dividing by 100. That's why it results in that. So if we want to find the actual percent of a number, we have to do take that number and multiply by the decimal form of the percentage. Multiply by the decimal form of percentage. So 22%, that's 0.22. So I multiply that there. That would be 8.14. 5.5% of 13. We got to turn this into a decimal. So I'd say multiply by 0.055. 0.175. If I want to find 0.03% of 1,091, I need to turn this into decimal. 1, 2. So that makes it multiply by 0.0003. That's going to equal 0.3273. There you go. Simple as that. Finding a percentage. We're turning these into their decimal form by dividing them by 100. And then we're just multiplying times the number. That'll give you the percentage of that number.